I'm Lorien, and I've been a patient here for a couple months now. I found out about it from a friend who had come here for allergy testing and diet issues and just had a lot of success and got a lot healthier, her energy back. So when I was having stomach pains this summer and found out my liver was enlarged, nobody could really tell me why. The blood results didn't show anything. So I had heard about the Arthurs and came here to Health and Balance, and they were able to test me and find that my liver was deficient in a couple vitamins, and so I was able to get better just on vitamins and not additional medicines, which I didn't really want to go that route. I wanted to be as healthy and natural as possible, so put me on 5 or 6 vitamins. A couple months later, my liver's processing caffeine again. It's not enlarged. It's starting to process hormones. So that's been really, really helpful and a big relief. And we've started doing some neuroemotional therapy for breathing problems and anxiety, and we're about halfway through that process maybe, and it's really been helping. I don't have problems breathing while driving because I've had a car accident, and so the neuroemotional therapy has brought a lot of peace as well, and I would recommend Health and Balance to anyone. It's a great way to do it naturally, but they have just so much knowledge on a lot of different levels of medicine and healing.